Right now I'm just making the lychee puree for my Batch Lychee Martini recipe. We just need 1 can of lychees and the syrup, and we're just gonna blend it until smooth. Some people just use the syrup, but I like to use the actual fruit blended into the mixture. In a pitcher, I'm just gonna add in all of this lychee puree. It's about 2 cups. Then we're gonna add in 1 cup of lychee liqueur. The one I'm using is called Soho Lychee. You can get this at Total Wine or Bevmo. And then we're gonna do 1 whole bottle of vodka. This is gonna be a strong drink, but it's gonna taste good too. You know what I'm saying? For a more casual vibe and convenience, I'm just gonna skip the martini glass and serve this over ice and garnish it with 2 lychees. Cheers. So good.